Hi dear Leos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed anytime. Okay, honey? And this is a reading from 22nd till the 31st of October. You can say end of October. So let's start. So your partner's current energy right now is Leo. Your partner's current energy right now is King of Wands. Right now, your partner is on fire. You could be dealing with the Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius here. Right now, your partner is being very passionate about something. They are just taking the risk of their life. They are just, you can say wearing their heart on the sleeves, and they are feeling like, yes, I have to do this. I got to do this. This is what they are currently experiencing. High on passion, high on energy, high on fire. Let me clarify the King of Wands in their current energy, why they are feeling or why they're experiencing what they're experiencing right now. Let me see. Queen of Cups, Two of Cups, and Seven of Wands. I feel like this person right now is carrying lots of love for something or someone or some kind of situation, you can say. They are carrying lots of love for something, but they are right now silent about that. They are taking a stand for themselves. They are like, yeah, although I have lots of love for someone, although I have lots of passion for someone, I'm just going to stand my ground. I'm not going to show it to maybe somebody, or I'm not just going to take any kind of action regarding this. But this is energy of high passion. So this person wants to take action, but they are not doing anything regarding this situation. This is what is happening in their current energy. This person right now is deeply in love with somebody, and they are feeling like they have a soulmate connection with them. It could be you, it could be anybody else. I will check the feelings for you as well. And they're just taking a stand for them, for this particular person, because they're highly passionate. So I feel like this person is highly passionate and highly in love, but I don't see them taking an action. I don't know why. Although this is card of taking action, but I'm not able to see the action happening here. I don't know why. But I don't see them taking any action. Okay, let's see what's your current energy, Leo. Your current energy right now is Ace of Cups. Okay. Brand new love happening, brand new love coming to your life. Ace of Cups. Either you are in love with somebody or somebody else is in love with you, coming with an offer for you, offer of love, or it could be self love also. It could be self love also. It's not always like somebody is coming towards you, but this is new love, or you are experiencing new love with the old person. It could be anything. But love is in your energy. In your current energy, love is there. Love is in the air for you, okay? Let me clarify the Ace of Cups in your current energy. But you're feeling overwhelming emotions right now. Five of Cups, King of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. I feel like you were feeling deeply lost without somebody. You were regretting something that you did. You were not clear about things, might be you were disappointed, dissatisfied, but now you are trying your best to be as clear and as honest with yourself as much as possible. And I feel like you are cutting down all the toxicity, all the negativity, all the sadness, and you're restarting your life again. Okay, you're restarting your life again, because I feel like now this is self love. This is self love that is coming your way, or this is self love that you're doing for yourself. This is a very beautiful energy of feeling from a situation where you were deeply regretting something that you did, might be, or somebody else did with you, or somebody left you. You were in deep depression or something like that. But now you have taken the command in your hands. You're cutting out this regret, this sadness, this depression. You're restarting your life. I feel like you're shifting your focus towards the money part. Okay, this is self healing, self love. This is beautiful energy. Let me see what this person feels for you, Leos. Their feelings for you, Leos. The feelings for you. Knight of Cups. I feel like this person carry lots of love for you. This person carry lots of love for you. This is Knight of Cups energy. And I feel like this person wants to come towards you carrying this love. Definitely an offer coming towards you for love or for some kind of relationship. Let me clarify the Knight of Cups. They are carrying lots of emotions for you, okay? They are carrying lots of feelings for you. They feel lots of feelings of love and care for you. See, this person is carrying a bunch of flowers as well. So I feel like this person wants to give you these flowers. Let me clarify. Four of Swords, Queen of Wands, and the Emperor. I feel like this person might be in. This person was very silent from a very long period of time in the recent past, and now this person is feeling passionate. Now this person is feeling high energy. This is Queen and this is the Emperor together. So I feel like you guys are right now might be having a reconciliation with each other, and now this person is feeling passionate after this break, after this silence, after this contemplation, you can say. They contemplated a lot, they thought about this a lot. Now they are feeling like yes, they have passion for you. Now they have took a decision. You could be dealing with an Aries here, by the way. Now they have took a decision that they want to offer you this love. They feel like this, they feel like they should just do that. So what they feel for you, this is pure love, this is energy. They are high on passion. After this silence or after this breakup or after this separation, whatever happened to you guys in the recent past or in the past, this person is feeling passionate and they have taken certain kind of decision. And this decision is, they are feeling like they have taken the decision of love. They are feeling like, yeah, I can't fight my emotions anymore. I do have love for this person, and I feel love for this person, for you, Leos. Good. Good. Somebody is coming towards you with love. Lots of love, actually. I don't see it as a past person. I feel like this is a new person. Okay, but for some of you, the past person is also coming back. But for most of you, I feel like somebody new is coming to your life with love, with a love offer. Somebody is watching over you. It could be possible that you already know this person, and it is turning into love day by day. Nice energy. Okay, let me see what this person wants from you. Seven of Cups. What this person wants from you is to stop looking for options in your life. They just don't want you to stop. They just don't want you to look for options in your life, especially in your love life. This is what they want from you. Stop looking for options. Let me clarify the Seven of Cups as what they want from you. Nine of Swords, Eight of Cups, and the Fool. What they want from you is to leave to leave everything that is not working out for you. Okay, and to remove the anxiety, to remove the stress, and just to walk away from everything that is not working out for you, and to have a brand new beginning, in your life. Now I'm getting that this person wants you to look for options in your life that is working for you. Not working for you is not valid. I am seeing that this person clearly wants you to explore the options that you have in your life. It could be for anything. It could be for work. It could be for love. It could be for anything that is related to your well-being, because this person wants you to come out of this anxiety, stress, pain, whatever you are experiencing. They just want you to walk away from this pain, anxiety, and stress, and just to restart life. Just to restart life. This is what they want from you. I don't see couple here. I don't see two people here in any card. So this person wants you to start a journey with yourself and start exploring. They just want you to start exploring things with yourself and just restart your life with yourself right now. This is what they want from you. And by the meaning start exploring options, it could be anything. Options related to work life, option related to your mental health or physical health, or anything related to your well-being, mental and physical and emotional as well. Okay, quite a complicated thing that they want. They just want you to be happy. This is a thing that I'm seeing. There is pure love. This is pure love, that they're experiencing for you, and this is pure love that they are might be not able to give you right now, but they might give you in the future. Let me see what is coming towards you till the end of October. Nine of Swords. Somebody's coming towards you. Somebody's coming towards you. They are coming running towards you. Okay, I feel like they will feel that they might lose you, or you're walking away, or you're going away from them, or something is happening that is not good for them. So that's why this person is coming. Somebody's just coming, rushing towards you. Let me clarify the Knight of Swords as the outcome. Three of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Magician. Reconciliation is happening. You guys are meeting each other, and there will be lots of maturity, lots of talks, and there will be a manifestation coming to fruition for you, Leos. I feel like you were manifesting this reconciliation from a very long time, or you were manifesting this coming back from a very long time. Now your manifestation is coming to fruition, because I can see that this person is coming towards you, rushing towards you. This is a person from the recent past, or from the past, and new love is also coming towards you. So two love offers, or two people are coming towards you, new person and the past person as well. And this past person is coming running because they are feeling like you might run away, or you might go with somebody else, or you might do something something that they will not be able to handle, or something like that. Although this person wants you to explore options and have a beautiful life, but I don't see this person is happy with that you should just go with anybody else. Okay, so Leos, this is your reading for October. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.